Alright, this is going to be your exit ticket for today. In front of you, you should have one sheet of paper. I put one sheet on every desk. This is going to be a group assignment in which you are going to recap everything that has happened from the beginning of the story to where we are at this point. So we just started on page 796. So you're going to actually end on page 795. You're going to recap. Now, we've already had a good review of what we read previously, so this should not be a question. No one should have any questions or concerns about what is going on. So what you have in front of you is actually called a storyboard. So it's like a little cartoon of the events which have taken place in the story. With your partners, I want for you as a group to look at the illustrations. Look at the illustrations, and you are going to write a caption for each of the illustrations that are on your storyboard. Okay? So let me just recap. As a group, now I don't want just one person. I want for everyone in the group to have a voice. You can have one writer if you like, or you can have two writers, but I do not want just one person answering the questions. You are to talk quietly in your group. The conversations that I hear need and they must be related to the story, okay? So real quickly, decide. If you don't decide who the leader is going to be, I will.
Jay.
But as a group, I want for you to look at your assignment, and you're going to write a caption, a short caption for each of the little boxes. All right? Does anyone have any questions? All right, so Khalil is writing. I need to hear Braxton telling you what to write. I need to hear Russell telling you what to write. Okay? So look at the picture. Talk with your group members. Alright, over here, I need to hear, that's not what we did. I need to hear all of you talking. One person can write or two people can write, but I need to see all of you working on this assignment. So look at the first one. Look at the first one, and what can you say?
When King Arthur was born.
Alright, so when King Arthur was born, or King Arthur was born.
When he was given to Marley.
Okay? Alright, so tell me a little bit more details. He was given to Arthur, but tell me why was he given to Arthur? Think about why he was given to Arthur.
Arthur was given to somebody else. Arthur was given to Merlin because Merlin saw that his future was...
No, that's not the reason why. Oh, you said it was threatened? Okay. So what was the deal? There was a deal made. Remember?
No.
If we do eating at a baby.
Wait, how do you spell her name?
Merlin. Merlin is the guy.
Oh.
Okay? Caleb, how do you spell Merlin? Look in your book.
M-E-R-L-I-N. Huh? L-I-N.
M-E-R-L-I-N. Okay? Alright. So think about, why was he given to Merlin?
You know what BC means, right? Before Christian.
I would prefer if you write it out. But if you're going to use abbreviations, I do know what it means. I do know what it means. But I would prefer if you would write it out. Okay? Just in case I wasn't to grade it. I will grade it, but just in case I wasn't, grading it. Okay? So keep on working, guys. Good job. Alright, where are we?
We on number 2. They give away Arthur.
Alright, why is Arthur taken? Braxton, why is Arthur given to Merlin?
They had a deal to have the baby boy.
They had to make
Right,
a deal
there was a
because
deal made by the king. So write that down. Good. There was a deal made. Now, Russell, I see your hood and I see your back turn. When I come back, I need to see you participating, okay? All right, y'all doing a very good job. Let's see what's going on. Let's see.
I don't know what's wrong with her. She kind of mad.
I've seen the movie like 5 times.
Okay, but we're not basing it on the movie. What are we basing it on?
The story. The story.
The book. No, it's not. No,
Yeah.
it's not.
Can I
I'm going to tell you a little bit. I'm gonna tell you a little bit later. Sometimes the stories have more. Sometimes the movies have more details than the story. So we gotta be careful on that, okay?
Look at my pencil.
I see it. All right, so let's see what you got. All right, so when King Arthur
hands the
baby over to the wizard, King Luther.
Luther? So I need to write down that?
You have it. King Luther. Why does he hand the baby over? Because they made it what? He made
Promise?
I made a promise, or he made a deal with Merlin. Okay? You need to have that in there. All right, guys. The period has ended. Just stop where you are. Stop where you are. Make sure that you write your now Jay has to leave, but make sure that all of your members' names are on your paper. So what I have seen so far is everybody was working good. I'm sorry we didn't have enough time to finish it, but we'll finish it tomorrow when you come in. So right now, make sure that your names are written on your papers. Jay, have a good day.
And Group B won today. Great job.
Hold on, I'm gonna get you.
So,
I'll get the office papers. You can get the office papers. Oh my God. Okay. All right, go ahead and make sure that you write your names on your assignment, okay? All right.